viewers, it's your girl Aunt Nazi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Take your greetings according to where you are. Okay, today I want to be treating hand workouts. Okay, if your hand is not strong enough for a strike, if you hit somebody, it will not be effective. There are people that have strong muscles. If you hit them, especially our ladies, if you hit them with your soft and weak hand, it will be as if you're just playing with them. Okay, so I want to teach you how to work on your hands, no matter how small, to make it stronger for a harder strike. Okay, come with me. Okay guys, this is the number one thing you have to practice on to strengthen the muscles of your hands. As simple as it is, it works effectively. As you are doing it, it will be, circulating the blood on your hands. You do it as much as you can. Once you do it up to 20, you start feeling the pains. You keep doing it as long as you can. But in order to make this video short, let me stop now and show you another one. Okay. The second one is push-up. Push-up is very effective in building the hand. You can also do as many as you can. Okay, I want to make this video very short. All right, the more you do it, you can do it with your knuckles. Okay, it works like this too. use this. Okay, you get something soft, and then like this knife cut kick, you use the floor to practice it. I think with these few techniques, you can, train, work on your hand to make it stronger, to make it strong for an effective strike with your hand. Okay? Thank you for watching. Practice this at home, and trust me, the more you practice, the more your hand gets stronger. Like mine, even though it's small, it is strong. Thank you. I love you. Mwah.